Hey guys, how's it going? This is HelpfulLockPicker here, and today I have a simple question. I'm just wondering, what is the first name that comes to mind when you think of a challenge lock? Whenever I think about a challenge lock, there are many different names associated with them. There are so many great lock makers out there, but there is one maker in particular that always comes to mind when I think of challenge locks. And what I'm going to do today is feature his channel. The video I have for you today is going to be another episode of my featured lock sport channel of the week. This is a video series that I started to help promote some of the smaller channels to allow them to get some more exposure so they'll pop up much higher in the search algorithm. All these channels really deserve all the credit they can get. They are really fun to watch and watch grow. So the channel that I'm going to feature today is a really cool channel. He really makes some great challenge locks, and you can see his locks all throughout the community. He is also a really great picker. You can see him opening up some high security locks on his channel, and he is really involved in the community. So the channel that I'm going to feature today has a little bit over 200 subscribers, and the channel with a little wave of the pick is going to be Den Brass. Den Brass is a really great guy. I really encourage you to check out his channel, and what I'm going to do now is roll my highlight reel so you can check him out.
What you see in front of you here is just another one of these fantastically savage locks by my good friend, Mr. Den Brass.
We're going to pick a lock tonight. We're actually going to try and do an eviction. I have this Den Brass here that is brutal.
Here's the key. Okay.
Absolutely, totally savage bitting. So we're definitely in for a bit of a battle on this one. The lock works absolutely flawlessly, as you would expect from a Den Brass challenge lock.
I think I'm going to have a hard time with this. I'm going to have to try to go at it from the bottom of the keyway if I'm going to be able to pick it at all.
This is going to be one tough lock to get into, I assure you. As you're all aware, you know, it makes just the most savage challenge locks.
I'm tired of looking at it, and I want to see if I can get it picked, man.
I got a box of Den Brass locks in, and all of them are going to be pretty hard. I played with some of them a little bit. This is the only one that I did get open, so I'm going to try again
To remove this
Den Brass
out of my naughty bucket.
Ah, wonderful lock, Mr. Brass.
Thank you so much for checking out my highlight reel on Den Brass. He's a really great guy. He's a really great lock picker and a really great lock maker. You can see him picking high security locks on his channel and also making some really difficult challenge locks. His brand is well known throughout the community, and you can find his challenge locks through many different channels. He puts a lot of great work into his challenge locks, and they're known for being well constructed and very difficult. If you're ever fortunate enough to work on one, you're going to need to know that you're going to need to put some work in to get them open. He puts a lot of great emphasis on his pens and just making well-constructed locks. If you'd like to learn more about Den Brass, what I recommend you do is check out his channel. What I'm going to do is put a link up on the top here so you can get directly to his channel. And if you would like to get automatic updates and stay current with what Den Brass is up to, I highly recommend that you subscribe and click the notification bell. Every subscription makes a big difference. It will help all his videos pop up higher in the search algorithm and help him become more well known in the community. If you know any smaller channels that you'd love to see me feature, what I recommend you do is you drop me an email at helpfullockpicker@gmail.com. I'd love to check out the channel and consider doing a featured channel of the week on it. Every small channel deserves to be checked out, and every subscription just makes such a big difference. I'm very happy to try to help influence some of the smaller channels to help them be successful. And that is all I have for you today. This has been my featured channel of the week on Den Brass. He's a really cool channel, and he's really worth checking out. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you all have a great day. And just thank you so much for checking this out.